Right behind me is Louis Vuitton. Over here in Rodeo Drive, Beverly Hills, one of the richest cities of all of America. Have you ever been curious? Who shops here? Are they rich or are they poor? What do they do for a living? We about to find out. How you guys doing? What do you guys do for work?
Not Louis Vuitton.
What do you guys do for work? You see how it is, man. What did you guys buy?
We bought a wallet.
A wallet?
Yeah.
How much?
It was 620.
620?
Yes.
Yep. Now, what do you guys do for work?
I run a civil engineering company.
Okay, you run it?
Yeah.
Okay, and how about you?
And I work as like a venue manager at a wedding venue.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Now, how much can one make per year in both of your positions, careers?
About 300,000.
300,000 and?
Probably about 110,000.
So power couple over here that I'm talking to. Okay. Now, if I wanted to make the kind of money that you guys make, what do I have to do? Besides hard work, besides following your passion, what are some like other things that people don't normally share, like to get to that level?
Have a go. I just took a punt, just worked out.
Yeah. Had a guide?
Had to go.
Oh, I just had to go for it.
Just go for it.
Okay. And how about you?
I think like a great connection with people. So
Connection, okay.
Yeah, a lot of people love like service, so I think that really helps me.
So like networking and all that.
Yeah.
Okay, and then last question. Is designer brands and Louis Vuitton worth the money?
I feel like this is my first purchase.
Oh, well, congratulations.
I feel like it's also a little bit of a novelty, like being that it's like here, so we're from Australia. So
Okay.
it's nice to kind of do it
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Like
Oh,
it's,
for sure.
Yeah, it's kind of more of the concept and the feel, really, than potentially the product.
No,
Not so much to me. I'm more into cars.
You're more into cars. What kind of car you got?
Oh, I got a Toyota Land Cruiser.
Oh,
so
nice,
I don't
nice.
sell them here, but
Okay.
it's like a big truck.
So no designer for you?
No, not particularly.
Smart man.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. You're a customer.
Yep.
What'd you get?
I got a bracelet
Bracelet.
Yeah.
For who? For you?
for myself.
How much?
1,300.
1,300. What do you do for work?
Physician.
Physician. What kind of physician?
It's general medicine.
General medicine. Okay. How much can one make per year doing that?
Between 300 and a million, maybe, depending on what you're.
Okay. Do you think being a physician is for everyone? Or do you think it's like you have to want to help people?
I think you have to want to help people if you want to do a good job and do the right thing.
$1,500, huh? But, ooh, that's fire. Dang, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Louis Vuitton shoppers, customers, both of you?
Yep.
Okay. How much does that bag cost?
I have no idea. I don't remember.
Really?
Yeah, no.
You're that rich. What do you guys do for work?
Well, I used to be a video games lawyer. Now I do some other stuff.
Okay.
And I'm an IP, intellectual property lawyer, so trademark, copyright.
Oh, nice.
documents.
Comes to my next question. How much in your position can one make per year?
7 figures.
7 figures. Wow. And same? Wow. You guys.
Okay, so disclaimer, I don't make that, but
Yeah, no, it's cool, but it's it's just like a reference. That's cool.
Yeah.
Is Louis Vuitton worth the money? Is designer clothing worth the money?
for sure.
Yeah. I think so.
Why?
Why? I think they have like always new idea, like strong collaboration, and even if not all the products are like leather and things like that, I think this is a very strong material with like an identity.
Yeah.
And it's a kind of a whole house.
Okay.
I mean, I'm French, so of course I'm going to support that.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Okay, that's a good answer. What do you think?
I have nothing to add.
Yeah, okay, that's it. You got the Versace on, but you went to Louis Vuitton. Why is that? How much is that Versace shirt?
$300.
$300. And what kind of watch is that?
That's a tag.
How much does that go for?
That's about 5,000.
5,000.
Oh, these are mallets.
How much do those go for?
Oh, these are about 700.
You love designer stuff.
Oh, yes.
Okay. How much Louis Vuitton do you own?
3,000 to 4,000.
3,000 to 4,000. Okay. What do you do for work?
I'm a real estate.
Real estate. Are you a real estate investor? Realtor?
Investor.
Investor. Okay.
Investor.
How much in your position with everything that you do in real estate? How much can you make per year doing that?
Sky's the limit.
Sky's the limit. Can I guess your income? You tell me higher or lower? 500,000?
A bit more.
800,000?
A bit more.
A million?
Around that.
Around there? Okay, a million. So he makes a million. Okay. Is designer clothing, Louis Vuitton, worth the money?
I would say not everything. There's certain things which I believe is a bit too overpriced.
Yeah.
But certain things are okay.
Okay.
But yeah, like Gucci's I think is overpriced.
Gucci's overpriced. Okay. If I wanted to make the kind of money you make in real estate, what is the best advice you would give me or anyone watching besides hard work, besides following your passion, besides getting our real estate license? Like, what are some other things that you never heard of that's pretty unique to you? Like, what kind of advice would you give?
Follow a good mentor.
Okay. Mentor. Okay.
Yeah,
That's
who's
one.
already been in this industry for a while.
Okay.
And get good advice from people.
Okay.
Not jump into anything that you're not sure of.
How do you get good advice from people though?
I'm networking.
Networking.
In that industry.
Okay, so networking in the real estate industry, and then once you do that, you can kind of like
Yeah, you could hustle.
find
your way.
shortcuts. Okay.
Absolutely.
Do you need a license?
No.
No. Do you have a license?
No, because I'm an investor.
Oh, okay.
I'm not selling.
Okay. Louis Vuitton customer.
Hey, what's up?
What'd you get?
Just some perfume.
Perfume?
Yeah.
How much did that go for?
It's about $3.50.
$3.50.
Yes.
Okay. Is that chump change to you or
Relative.
really?
It's middle range for perfumes.
What do you do for work?
I'm a pilot.
You're a pilot.
Yes, I am.
For how long?
I mean, I've been flying for fun since I was 16, but I fly for my family now.
How much can one make per year doing that?
You know, the airline guys, the regionals, don't make a lot.
Uh-huh.
Maybe 30, 40 grand a year. They live like 6 guys to an apartment, but they're never home. It's
Yeah.
like kind of a fun job. The cargo guys flying like a 747 to Shanghai 4 times a month, they make a few hundred grand a year.
A few hundred grand a year?
Yeah.
Would you say you're in that 6-figure mark?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do okay. And I fly privately, so I don't fly for the airlines.
So you get paid more privately.
One can.
Now, if I wanted to be a pilot and fly privately, make the kind of money that you make, how does one get there? I have to get my license, right, first?
Several licenses.
Okay,
So
how
you
many
can either
licenses?
Go through the military.
Okay. Is that what you did?
No, I went to civilian flight school.
Okay, got you.
After undergrad, after I went to college. You can train through the military, and that would be free, but in return for joining the military.
Okay.
Or you can go to civilian flight school, and you'll get out of there after about a year and a half to 2 years with a bunch of licenses. You get like your single engine, your multi-engine, your instrument rating.
Okay.
A bunch of commercial stuff that lets you fly for pay. Then you will start working pretty cheap for a few years as you build time. And in 5 or 10 years, you'll make a decent living, and then up from there.
And then network with people, and then you become the private pilot.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I mean, it goes in hiring waves, so like they're desperate right now.
Kind of scared, I'm not gonna lie. Hi.
They smell fear. Go this way.
Oh, wow.
You could still hit the dog like this, but this way.
This way? Oh, man. Hold on. Good doggy. Oh, okay, I'm out. What do you guys do for work? Because Louis Vuitton customers, and you have lots of Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton lovers.
What do you are? Look at that. How much is all that stuff worth?
Well, we're priceless.
What do you guys do for work, if you don't mind me asking? Dentist, okay.
And I'm a
Okay. How much can one make per year in your position, both of you?
200.
200?
About 50, 60.
Okay, cool. Is Louis Vuitton worth it? The price?
Absolutely.
Yeah? Why is that?
Just makes you feel good. Good materials.
Good material, stylish, okay.
It's like, you look good. Lifetime.
Okay.
It's a lifetime purchase.
That bag is hard. How much does that bag cost?
This was like 2,200.
2,200? Oh my gosh. That's nice. That's a really nice bag. How much does that bag cost?
1,700.
1,700. And then you got water bottles for free?
Yeah, they take care of us.
If I wanted to shop Louis Vuitton, you know, I want to buy designer stuff, I want to make the kind of money you guys make, what's your best advice to someone like me or someone that's watching right now?
She's the shopper.
What's your best advice?
Save up
Save up?
and spend what you have.
Okay.
Don't use credit cards. Save up for it because it's worth it.
Pay it all.
Pay it all. Don't buy something everyone has.
Does it appreciate?
It does.
It does. Okay, so it's a good investment.
Yeah.
There
This
you
you
go.
will search it online because it's sold out and they won't repeat it because it's seasonal.
Okay.
People are selling it for twice the price that we paid
Oh,
for it.
got you. Oh man, Louis Vuitton customer, huh?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah? What do you own that's Louis Vuitton?
At the moment, nothing.
Nothing. Okay, so you're just...
Well, I'm looking.
You're looking,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So it means you got money.
Well,
What do you do for work?
I'm actually a doctor.
What kind of doctor?
So I'm training to be a surgeon at the moment.
How much can one make per year doing
I
that?
think it's about 300, 350.
That's pretty good money, huh?
Usually the average.
So you rich?
Well, it's a long way to get up
Yeah.
to that level.
Yeah.
At the moment, I'm just starting out training.
Being a doctor requires a lot of school, a lot of hard work, a lot of sacrifice. So, you know, thank you
No worries.
for that,
No
like,
worries.
because, you know, we need more doctors and nurses.
of course.
But I got a bad knee.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Okay.
It's swollen.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
see that? Yeah.
Okay.
I did an ACL reconstruction,
Oh, yeah.
meniscus repair
Okay.
10 years ago. Now it's swollen. Do you think I still need surgery?
Are you in pain at the moment? That's the question.
Right now, it's swollen because I played some basketball.
Right.
But you know, it's
And how long was your surgery? Was it?
the surgery was 10 years ago.
10 years ago,
Yeah.
okay.
They repaired the ACL, but the
Yeah.
meniscus never healed.
Okay. Well, I think it's worth getting that checked out. Just
Okay.
Because it's been 10 years. If it's causing you problems now.
Can you check it out?
I'll need like a few things.
Okay. Man, it's getting a little hectic. You got people shooting music videos behind us, all that, but there's not a lot of customers coming out at this moment. It's dry. It's been dry for an hour and a half. But what do? We wait. My man, Louis Vuitton customer?
You know, I didn't see anything in there for me today.
It was too cheap for you.
Yeah, exactly.
What do you do for work?
I'm in real estate.
Real estate, okay. How much can one make per year doing that?
It's not a steady kind of thing at all.
Would you say 7 figures?
Not regularly.
Have you hit it one time?
One time.
One time? Okay, cool. If I wanted to be in your shoes, right? I wanted to make the kind of money you make and shop at Louis Vuitton, what does one have to do?
I don't know. I don't think there's any one set way to do it. Get a good education and hustle.
How you doing, sir?
Right.
This is your wife?
Yes.
Yeah, nice to meet you guys. Can we ask you a question? We see you guys coming out of Louis Vuitton, right? What do you do for work? Both of you?
In finance.
Finance. What do you do in finance? What's your position?
I'm a staff accountant.
Staff accountant, okay. And what do you do?
I drive trains.
What was that?
I drive trains.
Okay, cool. Well, for real?
Yeah.
Okay, how much in your position can you make per year?
It could be like up to 90.
90, 6 figures?
Yeah.
Okay, how about you?
26.
Okay, cool.
I can't afford it.
You can't afford this?
No.
Really? But you're in there.
Not at all.
I have a Louis bag already.
You got a Louis bag already? Okay. Is Louis Vuitton worth it for the price? No? How much did your bag cost?
I would say 1,400.
1,400?
Yeah.
What do you guys do for work?
I'm a nurse,
You're a nurse. What kind of nurse?
just a regular nurse.
Like a RN?
I'm a nurse in my country. I don't live here. I'm just visiting.
Oh, okay. What country are you from?
I'm from Georgia.
How about you?
Me, I'm a creative director.
Creative director?
Design and development company.
Okay. In your position right now, how much can one make per year?
In my position, maybe like 200.
200.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. How about you?
Probably like 150.
150-ish? Is Louis Vuitton worth it for the price?
I don't think these days, after that whole Balenciaga scandal, I'm stopping to buy designer.
What do you own that's Louis Vuitton?
I got like a trainer shoes.
Trainer shoes? Okay, how about you?
Like necklace and bracelet.
Oh, okay. You got a bag or?
Yeah, bag.
Okay. How much does that stuff cost?
1,000.
1,000?
Yeah.
Sheesh. What do you guys do for work?
From my parents, student, right? Student.
Oh, you're a student?
Yeah.
Okay. And you're a student?
Yeah, me
Okay. How do you guys get the money to buy, the designer?
From the parents.
Parents? Oh, at least you're honest. Yeah, so what are you guys going to school for?
I got studying the business analytics.
Business, okay.
I'm in psychology.
Psychology, okay, cool. No, that's good. So, do you think Louis Vuitton is worth it? The price?
I don't think so.
No?
Yeah,
It's overpriced?
Yeah, it's more like the brand.
When you guys, graduate college and stuff and you make money, are you going to come to Louis Vuitton and buy more, or are you done with it?
Maybe still buy more.
So buy more. Okay.
Sometimes you need it.
Yeah, no, I feel it. My guys,
What up?
Louis Vuitton customers?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what's your name?
My name's Deontay.
Deontay?
Zion.
Zion, nice to meet you. What do you guys do for work?
I'm a construction project manager.
Okay, how about you? Why you laughing?
I do a bunch of stuff. I got my own business.
Okay.
I work 9 to 5 for a good corporation.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm just vibing.
How much do you guys make per year doing what you do?
Like 108,000.
100, okay.
Yeah, same.
Same? 6 figures? Okay. What do you guys invest in? Do you have Bitcoin? Okay, how about you?
I throw parties. I'm a promoter.
Oh, okay.
Just myself.
I love that.
sure.
My man. Thank you so much for your time. Yeah, appreciate it. What'd you guys get?
It's on the go PM bag that just released
Okay.
last month.
How much does that go for?
3,100.
3,100?
Yeah.
What do you guys do for work, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm a manager.
Manager?
In New Zealand, yeah.
In where at?
In New Zealand.
Oh, okay. Oh, New Zealand. Well, welcome to California. How much can one make per year doing what you do?
100K.
100K or so? Is designer clothing, Louis Vuitton, worth the money, or you think it's overpriced, or what do you think about it?
Overpriced.
Overpriced? But you love it. You got the Christian Dior on.
Yeah, overpriced, but I love it.
I feel it. How about you?
Overpriced, definitely.
And he doesn't love
You
it.
don't love it. You just buy it for the wife. Yeah. Any advice to the person that's inspired, that wants to buy designer clothing, that wants to make the kind of money you make, have a family? What's your best life advice?
For the life advice, I guess, if you can buy it, I guess, for some people it's worth it.
Okay.
And for some people they probably say nah, it doesn't worth it. But for some people it's good. They feel happy about it, so why not?
Yeah, but you think it's not worth it?
Well, for personally, I think it's not.
Today was a great day. It was really hard, it was really hard to get customers, you know, coming in and out of Louis Vuitton because there weren't that many. The amount of people you saw in today's video, that was hours and hours and hours of waiting. At the end of the day, I want to bring value to you guys and girls. But we heard a lot of great answers. There's a lot of interesting people that shop at Louis Vuitton, and some people make over 100, 300K a year. Some people make 50K and under and buy designer. But what's your take on that? Do you guys like Louis Vuitton? Do you guys like designer brands? Is it worth the money? I want to hear your thoughts. Put it in the comments below. I also do want to say we are starting a community of successful entrepreneurs where we can all connect, talk to each other. We're gonna have guest speakers. Link is gonna be in the description below if you want to join this community. Click that link if you want to be part of it. I always say your network is your net worth. So make sure your network is solid. You're only gonna get better in life and grow in this life if you just keep learning and learn from individuals that's already done it. Like the video, subscribe if you're new, turn on notifications, and I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.
You tell me I'm someone you want. You tell me I'm something you need. But baby, you know that I'm bad for you, yeah. Why you gotta be so naive? If I treat you like one I don't want, then you know I'm just so hard to please.